Hey friend, it's Simply T again, and I'm back with another video. A lot of you guys on Instagram helped me pick my next look to try out. So, if you want to see how I turned this gorgeous jet black deep wave curly wig from I UNICE Hair into this chocolate brown wig, you know what to do. Keep watching. Before we get into the dyeing process, I just wanted to show you all the little goodies that came in this box. I purchased this deep wave wig in 24 inches from UNice Hair, and the shipping was super fast. Of course, you cannot go wrong with any stocking caps. You can't have too many of them. My box came with this really pretty silk scarf that I'm already wearing, and of course you always need more banana clips, so I was happy to see that. And what's a wig package without some lovely lashes? So this wig is a Brazilian natural pre-plucked long curly lace front wig. Like I said, it's 24 inches and it looks like it's already been pre-bleached, but I did want to lighten the knots just a little bit more, so I did that before this. So let's get into the bleach bath. So I've got a nice clean surface where I won't be bleaching anything by mistake. I have my plastic container, and you can use either a clear 10 or 20 volume developer for this method, and you just want to add at least 6 to 7 scoops of your bleaching powder to this mix. I tried this out without water. Now I have seen some people use boiling water to add to the mix, and after working with curlier hair, I would definitely say if I was going to make a bleach bath for curly hair again, I would add the water just to make my mix stretch a little bit. But if you're using straight hair, you don't need as much. You don't necessarily want to drown it. Before we add the hair to the mix, we're just going to work out any lumps or clumps of bleach powder that we have in our liquid mix. If you plan on using boiling water, this would be the perfect time to add it. As you can see, this hair has a lot of volume, which is why I said I would definitely use boiling water the next time that I use a bleach bath to dye or color curly hair. But if this was a thinner or straighter, less dense wig, this would be perfectly fine. So I'm just going to safely work my fingers through the hair. It's a lot of it, and when you're working with thicker, curlier hair in a wig, you want to make sure that you get every single strand. So I'm going to let this sit in the mix for about an hour, and as you can see, the color's already starting to turn. The last thing I want is dry or brassy hair, so of course I'm going to go in with a blue shampoo and a nice moist conditioner. I just got this curling iron off of Amazon a little while ago, and I figured what a better time to try it out than with this brand new chocolate brown color that I want to try out on his hair. So it took me some time. That's all I'm going to say. It took me some time because I went in layer by layer by layer trying to achieve this tight coily look with this curling iron. I love the results, but if you're going to try this, just make sure that you put a movie on or a couple movies and enjoy. Now that my curls are all done on the wig, I'm ready to try this bad girl on. I know you see me use wig caps a lot on my channel, but when I can get to a nice sheer pair of stockings, I will always choose sheer stockings over a wig cap because the difference is so obvious. I love using these for longer lasting looks and a really clear scalp effect. So as you can see, I got done curling the hair and plucked the hairline, And here we go. Let's try this thing on. If you couldn't tell by how hard I was cheesing, I am very, very pleased with the results. I'm proud. I think I did a pretty good job. I was a bit nervous about how tan and brown the lace was, especially because I didn't think it was going to match my complexion. But with a little bit of bleaching the knots, plucking the hairline, it's starting to melt in a lot better than I expected. As you know, if you're a part of the Peanut Head gang, it always makes laying your wig, especially your frontal wig, a lot easier if you cut the very end of the ear tabs off first and shape it around your ear. And I also cut it into sections just so I can kind of glue everything down separately and pay close attention to everything being laid the right way. So I'm going to use my Supreme Bond glue from EBIN New York before I go in with, you know, that good old black can of Supreme Wonder Bond lace spray. If you know, you know. I'm just about done, and I mean, friend, look, this thing is melted down, okay, with that spray and glue combo. So I'm just gonna cut off the excess lace and clean up the hairline before I take a look. But so far, listen, I fell in love instantly with this look. So just allow me to get into it a little bit and check this out. It came out a little bit more ginger chocolate than I expected. I don't know if it's because of how long I left it in the bleach bath, but this is by far my absolute favorite wig experiment that I've tried out so far. I'd love to try these curls again when my wrist don't hurt. Once again, friend, thank you so much for clicking play. I'm Simply T, and you know what to do. Meet me right here, same place, next time. Peace out.